والورد لون الجراح الجراح يا ليلي يا ليلي يا ليلي يا ليلي
I'm just getting full body goosebumps. What's going on, everyone? I hope that you're doing great. IJayReaction from Canada is back with another reaction video. In today's video, we are heading to Egypt and Syria. First of all, I want to say Happy Easter to all my Christian friends, viewers, and subscribers. And for this special day, we're gonna watch one of the best songs of the king of the oud and vocals, Farid Al-Atrash. And the name of the video that we're gonna watch together is Farid Al-Atrash, جودة عالية, حفل الربيع, high quality sound and English subtitles. This video belongs to the YouTube channel of one of my dear friends in the name of Farid, who is dealing with the enhancement of the quality of the sound and the videos of the performances of Farid Al-Atrash. I wanted to wholeheartedly thank him for the remarkable job that he is doing, and he's actually a magician, guys. The quality of the sound and the videos that he is producing is insane. Well, as always, before we start watching the video, I'm gonna read a quick biography of Farid Al-Atrash, and also I'm gonna read the description of this video as well, and then we'll jump in. Well. Farid Al-Atrash was born on October 19th, 1910, and unfortunately he passed away on December 26th, 1974. Also written as Farid Al-Atrash, was a Syrian Egyptian composer, singer, virtuoso oud player, and actor. Having immigrated to Egypt at the age of only 9 years old with his mother and siblings, he studied there under numerous respected musicians. El-Atrash embarked on a highly successful career spanning more than 4 decades, recording 500 songs and starring in 31 movies. Sometimes referred to as the king of the oud. I don't like this part of his biography because it's not sometimes, he was the king of the oud. He's one of the most important figures of 20th century Arab music. Alright guys, I love the description of this video, and it's not gonna be too long. Let's read that and then we'll watch the video. After a lengthy time away from Egypt, Farid returned to Cairo for the Sham and Nassim festival, which is today, in 1970, making the beginning of spring with this performance of el-Rabieaa, which means spring. Originally sung in the 1949 film Afrita Hanem alongside Samina Gamal. It became a yearly tradition for Farid to perform this song during the Sham and Nassim festivals, and although it is impossible to say which song is Farid's best song, this song is often put at the top of the list. I'm glad to hear that. The audio for this video has been replaced by a higher quality radio recording of concert. You will hear a section of the oud taqsim not heard in other versions. We will also hear a radio announcer at the end sign off, and also we have melodies from this song have been used in popular Turkish and Greek songs. This is a pretty famous song, guys, by famous singers such as Ferdi Tayfur, Stratos Dionysiou, and Manolis Apellopoulos. A lot of people have used this song, obviously. Well guys, no more talking. And speaking of the other versions of this song, I have a short video that my friend Farid shared with me, and I love to play this video first. It is a video from a guy who is playing the music of Farid Al-Atrash, and I'm pretty sure that he has no idea who is the composer of this music, guys. Well, let's watch this short video and then I will start the video.
Geçiyor otur geç. Yanında otur geç. Cigarayı da yak.
Great performance. The guy is whistling and playing the drum. Well done.
Bir sen söyle, bir de beni.
Alright, guys. Well, it's impressive that the songs of Farid Al-Atrash have traveled all around the world. Even a lot of people don't even know that these songs belong to the king of the oud and vocals, and other singers have just used them and they have registered his songs and their names, which is not a good thing, guys. Well, no more talking. Let's start watching the main video, guys. Let's go to the world of Farid Al-Atrash. I have heard the Turkish version of this song, but I didn't know that it belongs to Farid. Now I know. Guys, the music of Farid is so special. And it takes you to a dreamland. Great arrangement. Here we go. I think I have reacted to this part of this video in my previous reactions. Just getting goosebumps. Look at the excitement of the audiences. My goodness. You really cannot get enough of this performance. Oh my goodness, isn't this beautiful? Like the specialty of Farid's music is that you forget about the time. You just dive into the music and you enjoy the performance. What is this magical video? Yeah, we have reacted to this part, but honestly, the way he plays the oud is like his fingers are talking to that instrument, guys. And he doesn't even look at the instrument, you know? It is like part of his body. The performance has not begun yet. It was just a warm-up. That was insane. Such a remarkable performance. Here we go. They got the permission of starting the project. Honestly guys, till yesterday I didn't know that this song belonged. This is the music of Farid Al-Atrash.
من تاني والبدر هل تنوره قادر الربيع من تاني والبدر هل تنوره وفين حبيبي اللي
But where is my love who threw me out from love's heaven into its hell?
رماني من جنة الحب النار.
Honestly, the quality of the sound is incredible, and because of that I told you that Farid, my friend who is the owner of this channel, is a magician. And also, sorry guys for the interruption, Farid told me about the copyright on this video, so I might need to trim out some parts, or I might need to mute some parts, or I have to just pause these parts a little bit, so bear with me, and it is just because of the copyright. I don't want to interrupt this masterpiece. And again guys, I have no choice, then this is because of copyright. I don't want to talk and pause the video because it is disrespectful, and I don't like to talk while I'm watching the video. But at least we can pause and read the lyrics. Oh time, bring me those happy days and take my life.
يا زماني وخد عمري واللي راح
That one which I cared for threw me out, passed through me and occupied my mind.
رماني فاتني وشغل فكري.
And I told you he's not just the king of the oud, he is also the king of the vocals, and we can clearly see that guys. I love listening to Farid's voice.
أيام رضاه يا زماني مات وخد عمري.
And I remember I told you in my previous videos that the way he's holding and using his lips is so sophisticated guys, and the position of his mouth is in a way that he controls his voice in the best way possible. Okay, this is the same part.
فاتني وشغل فكري. كان النسيم غلوان.
Even the lyrics have the word Nasim because of this festival in Egypt.
إني لغنيها
It is specifically about Egypt.
وميت الحلوة تفضل تعيش
nice part hit the heart. I'm gonna play that nice part again. He sang the same part but in a different way. Look at the alternation in his voice. Even the audiences recognized the nice part. They were excited at that moment. That part. When they repeat a single part, it means that that part is so important. They want to underline those parts of the lyrics. And the way they perform in a different way is like they literally underline that part. Like you entered into another chapter of the song. You see the tempo? So relaxing and so lovely. The audiences are so excited. Magnificent.
لمين بتضحك يا صيف لياليك وأيامك كان لي في عهدك أليف عهدني قدامك قدامك.
The lyrics are so poetic. He's talking to the seasons. He's complaining to the season. It is like each season is a person.
كان لي في عهدك أليف عهدني قدامك قدامك.
One more time.
وكان لي في قلبه طيب يخطر في أوهامك.
What a performance.
من يوم ما فاتني وراح شدو البلا بالنواح. من يوم ما فاتني وراح شدو البلا بالنواح. من يوم ما فاتني وراح شدو البلا بالنواح. هاو الورد لون الجراح. ورد لون الجراح.
The rose has the color of wounds. Nawal improvisation. He is improvising right now.
والورد لون الجراح. والورد لون والورد لون الجراح. والورد لون الجراح. الجراح يا ليلي يا ليلي يا ليلي يا ليلي.
It's just getting full body goosebumps. Best yell that I've ever heard. I'm gonna listen to this part one more time. You know guys, when it comes to improvisation, the singer is like the head of the arrow. All the musicians behind him are improvising as well. This is fascinating.
الجراح يا ليلي يا ليلي يا ليلي
performance is impossible but doable for Farid Al-Atrash.
والورد لون الجراح
Because it is the improvisation part, we don't have subtitles.
بالورد لون الجراح والورد لون الجراح
The color of the rose is like the boom. I am speechless. Even he is impressed.
من يوم ما فاتني وراح الشد والبلاء بالنوح من يوم ما فاتني وراح الشد والبلاء بالنوح والورد لون
من ورد الجراح. After that sad part, they connected the performance to the beginning of it, but in a different way. This is not the beginning of the song. It's clearly another chapter of the song. Love the tempo. It is like I'm watching a movie and it's not a live performance. You know, with those lyrics and the music, it takes you to a journey. This is a masterpiece. And honestly, it's not fair that you use this composition and don't give credit to King of the Oud, the creator of this composition. It's not fair at all. But at least we know now who's behind this great music.
والخريف بعده
The rest of the story.
ظهور الغرام مقول يزيد في ظلمه ويقلبني.
So painful. So sad.
وادي الشتاء وادي الشتاء يطول لياليه، وادي الشتاء يطول لياليه عاللي فاتوا حبيبه، يناجي طيفه ويناديه ويشكي للكون تعذيبه.
There's another chapter. After the fall and winter, I think we're gonna go toward spring, الربيع. The music has completely changed. Here we go again. The musicians are under a lot of stress and pressure.
يا ليل يا بدر يا نسمة يا طير يا زهر يا أغصان. يا ليل يا بدر يا نسمة يا طير يا زهر يا طير يا زهر. يا ليل يا بدر يا نسمة يا نسمة يا طير يا زهر يا أغصان. هاتولي من الحبيب كلمة تواسي العاشق الحيران.
This is unbelievable. Wow! Wow! That was one breath.
كلمة تواسي العاشق الحيران.
Still one breath. It goes up, goes up. Goes up and gives you goosebumps. Isn't that beautiful? I can understand how you guys are excited when you're watching or listening to this song at this special day. Sham al-Nasim. Guys, everything is natural. Even you can hear he's clearing his throat in the middle of the performance. That's incredible. You see? There's no auto-tune, nothing is fake. Again, we have improvisation.
هاتولي من الحبيب كلمة كلمة هاتولي من الحبيب
كلمة
كلمة كلمة كلمة كلمة كلمة تواسي العاشق الحيران يا ليلي هاتولي من الحبيب كلمة تواسي العاشق الحيران شوقه يألمني أخد ورد الهوى مني وفاتلي شوقه يألمني أخد ورد الهوى مني وفاتلي شوقه يألمني معرفش ايه ذنبي غير ان في حبي معرفش ايه ذنبي غير ان في حبي معرفش ايه ذنبي غير ان في حبي خلصت من قلبي وغاب عني لا كلمني وغاب عني لا كلمني وغاب عني لا كلمني ولا قال امتى راح
That's
اشوفه
brutal.
وغاب عني لا كلمني وغاب عني لا كلمني ولا قال امتى راح اشوفه واقول يمكن حيرحمني ويبعت في الربيع طيفه ويبعت في الربيع طيفه ويبعت وغاب عني لا كلمني وغاب عني لا كلمني ولا قال امتى راح اشوفه وغاب عني لا كلمني وغاب عني لا كلمني وغاب عني لا كلمني
He's a kind of conductor
ولا
as well.
قال امتى راح اشوفكم وغاب عني لا كلمني ولا قال امتى راح اشوفكم وغاب عني لا كلمني ولا قال امتى راح اشوفه واقول يمكن حيرحمني ويبعت في الربيع طيفه ويبعت في الربيع طيفه ويبعت في الربيع طيفه ويبعت في الربيع طيفه
Again, we have improvisation.
ويبعت في الربيع طيفه ويبعت في الربيع طيفه ويبعت في الربيع طيفه
And the light of the full moon appeared. But where is my love who threw me out from love's heavenly place? Yeah, now they have connected the song to the beginning of it.
قادر ربيع عاد من تاني والبدر هلت انواره قادر ربيع عاد من تاني والبدر هلت انواره وفي حبيبي اللي رماني من جنة الحب النار
Oh my goodness. I didn't want this video to be over.
وهكذا سيداتي وسادتي غنى فريد
May his soul rest in peace and heaven.
رائعته الغنائية الربيع. وبهذا أيها السادة نصل معكم إلى ختام فقرات هذا الحفل.
الذي أحيا الموسيقار الكبير فريد الأطرش، ونرجو أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم معنا به، ونلتقي دائما على خير.
Wow, we have lost a gem in the world of music, guys. May his soul rest in peace in heaven. This was one of the best live performances that I've ever seen, guys. And everything is so special. Now I understand the reason that this is one of the best songs of Farid Al-Atrash, and I absolutely enjoyed watching it. I'm totally speechless. I have nothing to share but the joy that I had by watching this video. And the music is insane, the lyrics are so poetic and meaningful, and the improvisation of Farid Al-Atrash was so unique, guys. Well, I'm so happy now, and one more time I want to say happy Sham and Nasim. And I want to thank my sorry guys, I want to thank my dear friend Farid, the owner of this channel, who has done a great job by the enhancement of the sound of this video, guys. What he's doing is unbelievable. You not only have to be a creative person, but you have to invest a lot of money in your equipment to be able to enhance the good quality and in the audio and the picture, guys. Well, I appreciate you for watching the video, and thank you so much for suggesting it. My special thanks to my dear friend Farid. And if you enjoyed watching the video, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. I want you to stay safe wherever you are and take a good care of yourself. And of course, don't forget to put a smile on your face. I'll definitely catch you on next reaction videos, and peace.